Hello everyone, this is Saloni Nandan and today I have very different video for you. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने 12th पास कर ली है और कई स्टूडेंट्स ग्रेजुएट होने वाले हैं. You must be worried about your career. So, this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about career in hotel management. It is a professional course that can be taken immediately after completing class 12th or graduation. Now, what makes it as one of the most preferred courses? Any ideas? Anyway, the wide range of opportunities जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में अवेलेबल हैं इन इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड इस कोर्स को स्पेशल बनाती हैं. मोरओवर, देयर इज एन एडेड एडवांटेज. इट इज वन ऑफ द फ्यू प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज दैट कैन बी परस्यूड बाय स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम एनी स्ट्रीम. आप किसी भी स्ट्रीम में हो, आर्ट्स, साइंस या कॉमर्स, किसी में भी आपने 12th पास करी हो या ग्रेजुएशन करी हो, आप ये होटल मैनेजमेंट का कोर्स कर सकते हैं. Gone are the days when medical, engineering, CA ही career options होते थे. Today, these are not only the prospects which guarantee reputation and high income. There are many career avenues available for students and I'm going to talk about them one by one in my videos. So for this time, I'm going to talk about hotel management, its career prospects, salary and job opportunities. Well, hotel management course is meant to train students for the hospitality service sector, comprising of jobs in top multinational companies catering to the food and beverage section. होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स में ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है जिससे कि लोग होटल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, एयरलाइंस एंड क्रूज लाइन, डिफरेंट वर्क एरियाज में होटल मैनेजमेंट ग्रेजुएट काम करते हैं. होटल मैनेजमेंट डील्स with the overall administration and working of a hotel, resort or any other hospitality firm. Now, let us see the eligibility that is required for hotel management course, and that is after 10 plus 2 for graduation. You should have 10 plus 2, that is, should have passed class 12 from the recognized university with minimum 45% of marks. This is a requirement for hotel management program after class 12th. अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन कर ली है तो उसके लिए एलिजिबिलिटी है पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करने के लिए. The minimum eligibility criteria for MBA in hotel management is that the students should have done ग्रेजुएशन इन एनी स्ट्रीम. किसी भी स्ट्रीम में, आर्ट्स, साइंस, कॉमर्स, कोई भी स्ट्रीम में आपने ग्रेजुएशन करी हो फ्रॉम अ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी विद अ मिनिमम ऑफ 50% मार्क्स इन एग्रीगेट एंड 45% फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब कैंडिडेट्स. अब एज लिमिट जो है वो वेरी करती है इंस्टीट्यूट के हिसाब से. कहीं पर 22 मैक्सिमम एज लिमिट है और कहीं पर 28 भी. A common entrance test is conducted for making selection to the hotel management course in most of the government recognized institutes. पर कुछ private institutes भी हैं जहाँ पे common entrance test नहीं भी होता है. अब the questions of entrance test are asked from the subjects like English. Yes, English is compulsory. Reasoning, general science and general knowledge. The time duration for the test is 2 hours and is held generally around April every year. The selection process is written test followed by a group discussion and interview. Finally, it is up to you. Take your own decision to select whether graduation में करना है आपको होटल मैनेजमेंट या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन. After graduating from commerce or science or arts also, and yes, you have to give entrance exam to get selected in top colleges. अगर top college में जाना है तो entrance exam देना पड़ेगा. Master in Hotel Management is a 2-year program which is divided into 2 parts comprising of 1 year each. There are so many universities which offer MBA in Hotel Management course. Now, let us look at the courses in Hotel Management. Right after completing the class 12th, an aspirant can apply for undergraduate courses in Hospitality Management Studies. Class 12 खत्म करते ही आप undergraduate course में apply कर सकते हैं. The choice is vast, ranging from degree courses to diploma and certificate courses. The undergraduate course in hotel management are Bachelor in Hotel Management, BBA in Hospitality, Travel and Tourism, BSc in Hospitality and Administration, Bachelor in Hotel Management and Catering. After successful completion of hotel management studies at the undergraduate level, one can opt for further studies also and pursue MBA in Hotel Management from India and abroad. Now, let us look at the job opportunities. Job opportunities भी जरूरी है जानना. After a degree, diploma or certificate course, one can get good jobs in innumerable hotels and restaurants in varied departments like food and beverages, accounting, sales, maintenance, front desk and security. इसके अलावा there are plum career options in the sectors of resort and guest houses, forest lodges, cruise ships, airline catering. Tourism industry also offers job. Indian Railways catering department, kitchen management in school, colleges, factories. शेफ की तरह भी आप काम कर सकते हैं. केटरिंग मैनेजर भी बन सकते हैं. फास्ट फूड रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर, होटल पब्लिक हाउस मैनेजर और इवन इवेंट मैनेजर. सैलरीज ऑफर्ड टू होटल मैनेजमेंट ग्रेजुएट. चलिए सैलरीज क्या मिलती हैं वो भी जान लेते हैं. ग्रेजुएशन खत्म करने के बाद द डिमांड फॉर हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट is quite high in India and abroad. The industry is paying well to the professionals. The entry-level salary of a bright and smart hotel management graduate is rupees 20,000 to rupees 50,000. Depending on the job role and the establishment, the pay differs. कैसा जॉब रोल है और कहाँ आप काम कर रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से पे थोड़ी बहुत ऊपर नीचे होती है, बट 20 से 50 के बीच में रहती है. The salary is hiked as and when your training is completed and you are taken in a higher and better position in the hospitality management industry. Depending on the work and of course the result, the salary increases with time also. The bigger establishment, the salary is more. A lot of students take up the internship in a big hotel and resort in their last year of studies, and they hope that after graduation they will find a permanent place in the same company. And the salary also depends on your internship performance. So internship अच्छी जगह ले last year में और अच्छे से काम करें तो आपकी सैलरी भी बढ़ जाएगी और आपको शायद वही कंपनी हायर भी कर लेगी. So guys, By now, you must be knowing very well that hotel management careers are indeed glamorous and interesting because they come with a lot of perks and give a great opportunity to travel the world while on the job. So, pursue this career with a degree in hotel management and have a very blissful life. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.